Stop letting your catfish scatter in stew. This one trick changes everything. Before cooking, wash your African catfish properly. Then spice it well with salt, seasoning, pepper, onion, and also make sure it's fully coated. Now here's the secret most people don't know. Put the spiced catfish in the freezer for some time. This helps it firm up so it won't break or scatter while cooking or frying. Try this and thank me later. Don't forget to like, follow and subscribe at African A to Z Library for more African cooking secrets and hairstyles. Stay tuned.